Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for March the 11th, brought to you today by Senior Editor Matt Dennis. Today's FirstWord Pharma News Roundup is sponsored by Zohydro. In our top news story, GlaxoSmithKline announced that it will create a new global headquarters for Asia in Singapore. The company said the move will allow key decisions to be taken within the region by people who have extensive experience of working in this continent. Also featured, Bayer expects sales in its healthcare division to grow by an average of 6% a year through 2017 to more than €25 billion. The drug maker indicated that revenue from prescription drugs will rise approximately 7% each year through 2017 to more than €15 billion. In other news, Merck & Co.'s Keytruda became the first drug to be accepted under the UK's Early Access to Medicine scheme. The anti-PD-1 therapy was approved by the FDA in September last year for advanced melanoma, while a marketing application in Europe is still under review. In addition, Therapeutic's UniToxin gained FDA approval as part of first-line therapy for paediatric patients with high-risk neuroblastoma. Richard Pazdur, Director of the Office of Haematology and Oncology Products in the FDA's Centre for Drug Evaluation and Research, noted that this marks the first approval for a therapy aimed specifically for the treatment of patients with high-risk neuroblastoma. And finally, Genex agreed to divest its Zohydro ER business to Pernix Therapeutics for up to $383.5 million. Genex said the transaction will allow it to focus efforts on the development of ZX008 for Dravet syndrome and Relday for schizophrenia. To read these and other stories in full, visit FirstWordPharma.com.
Take a look at us now, the new mobile intelligence. Performing better together.